In this video, we show you how to install a software on a client with our client lifecycle management tool, Imperium. For this, we need a server. We have started the server here. And additionally, we need a target PC. So this is our PCD2000. This client you can start in your My Workspace environment. And let's go back to the server. And to install software with our client lifecycle management tool, so we have to start the console. You can start it here from the task or from the desktop if you want. So let's start the console. You do not need to type in a user and a password because we're using the Windows authentication. You can manage the different rights in the Imperium console with different AD groups here. So after the start of the management console, we have three different columns. On the left-hand side, you see the PCs that are in the database. On the right-hand side, you see all the stuff for the PCs. For instance, our software packages we would like to use here right now. And in the middle, we do have the configuration and assignment groups. So it's a tree structure where you can build the structure of your company. Let's go directly to the assignment groups. We have created here in our Imagovarium environment some group with business units, have different business units, for instance, in marketing. And our PC2000 is in this marketing group. Here you can see it. By the way, for sure, you can search for PCs in this tree. And now we would like to have an installation in this group of marketing with this Notepad++. Again, you can search here for software in this environment too. To have a software installation, you just need to drag and drop this software package to the target group. Here in this case, it's marketing. The name of the PCs changed to brown. This means the status has been changed. It will not install anything on the client right now till you have activated it. So on the group, you changed something, do a right mouse click, say activate, and the wizard comes up. And now you can see automatically the software activation is check marked. We even can check mark activate PXE and create operating system for an operating system installation if you need it. And you can use with Wake Online, you can reboot and shut down machines. You can say next. Here on the scheduler, you can say a recurring installation every month, for instance, or just to a special date and time you would like to have this installation. The user can be asked if he would like to have a postponed installation or installation till what for a time. He can move the installation so he can integrate the user if necessary. Say just next. You have a summary. You see, for instance, 6 computers will be activated, and just say finish. Now the color of the PCs change to magenta, and if you press F5, function key F5, you have a refresh, and after some seconds you have the color of the PCs now black again. Means now the activation has been run through and the client will install the software. On the client side, we have our agent running, and this agent asks in our demo environment every minute the server if there is a new software for me. The normal default number is 120 minutes, means 2 hours. It's your decision how often the client should ask the server if there is some software. Additionally to this, the user can do this action by himself using a right mouse click here on the agent and ask the server if there is software activation for me yet. This front end comes up to ask the user if he would like to have the installation now. If you do not want to have this this front end, you even can say directly install the software. We will have to press run here right now. And again, this look and feel you can change too, so that the user even do not see anything if you want this. Now we have the installation of Notepad++. You can use the software here. But for the administrator, it's more important to know if everything on all the PCs has the installation run through. And for this, we go back to the server. And let's go to the marketing group. And directly on the software we just send out, right mouse click on it and show status, and you see the status of the installation here on the left hand side. If it is green, everything runs fine on all PCs. It is red On minimum one PC, we had a fault. If it is yellow, like in our case, not all the PCs have received installation yet. In our case, only the PCD2000, because the other PCs are not switched on, for sure. If you would like to have more information about the installation, just go to Marketing, right mouse click and Show Log. You can ask this log, and you show this log on every part of your tree structure. Here we see, for instance, the success installation of Notepad++, sorry. And more important, I think, are the errors. Means if something went wrong, you would like to have very fast the error what happens here on the PCs, because for this we have an own tab. Okay, that's it to how you can install the software on a client PC with our client lifecycle management tool Ampere.